Hi, this is Pat, and I wanted to show you about cleaning up the HTML in a page so that it can comply with the style guide for your site. So in this example, we're going to look at a page that's properly formatted. You can see the fonts and colors are all consistent with the style guide settings under the Design tab from Site-Wide Features and Design. And these are the settings established for the site. When we take a look at this page, we notice that there are some issues with the colors and the fonts not matching the style guide. So when we open that page up in the editor, now let's click on the source code tool. When we do that, we take a look, we can see that the HTML has embedded in it some style guides that are defining precisely what color and size that font is going to lay out. And those color guides don't match our style guide, so we'd like our style guide to apply. So what do? Well, the easiest trick that I've found is to copy all of that source code and paste it into an editor. I'm using a text editor, and that's really the best way you could do it. So you want to find a text editor or a notepad if you're on a PC. And what we want to do is remove all of these span stylings. So I'm going to highlight that entire span from the open bracket to the close bracket, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to do a search and replace by clicking Find, and I'm going to paste that in here, and then I'm just going to say replace all with this empty string. So I'm just removing that, and I'm going to continue down the page looking for any of the spans and doing replace all. Now I also see a large number of spaces here. Those can come out, and then here I see another span, and I'm going to replace all. Okay, so now that I've got all of that removed, I can copy that and drop that back into the source code tool, and I'm going to paste it in and then click Update. I'm going to pull this off, and just to keep with our style guide, I'm going to align these to the left. And now when we update our page, we can open it in a new browser window to see those changes, and now we see that the fonts and colors are all using the colors from the style guide.